Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with the new lesson. Today we are going to start an interesting topic in HTML, which is images. So before starting video, I request to all of you, if you are new on the channel, so please subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end, that you can understand it. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to add images to page, choosing the right format, optimizing images for the web. Adding images to our website or to our page. So how can we add images to our website or to our page? So we can do it very easily. It's pretty simple. We can do it just by using the img tag or element. To add an image into a page, you need to use an img tag element or tag. This is an empty element, which means there is no closing tag. It must carry the following two attributes. When we write or when we type this tag, so it carry two attributes. The one is src and the other one is LTR. So let's see what src used for. This tells the browser where it can find the image file. This will usually be our relative URL pointing to an image on your own site. Here you can see that the images are in a child folder called images relative URLs, were covered on page 83 to 84. An alt attribute used for this provide a text description of the images which describes the image if you cannot see it. Alt we use for a description. We write some description inside it. If the browser not working properly, so and we are not able to see the picture, so we can see whatever we write inside the alt attribute, that will be displayed on our browser. So it shows us that our image is working, but we cannot see it due to some internet or some other issues. So let me do it. In our HTML page, I have created a file here and I'm just writing img tag and enter it. You can see that there are two attributes inside the image tag. In src, I have already told you that we write the address of a picture or the address of an image where the image is in our folder. We define the path over here of our images. And alt attribute, we write the description. If due to some error or some problems, some issues, we can't see the picture, so we can just see the description, and that will tell us that our picture is, there is a picture on our website or on our page, but we cannot see it due to some problem, some issues, that may be internet issues or some other problem. So let me write the path of some image. Let me copy some image from internet. Let me copy this image address from here and paste here in our src attribute. Let me first write inside the alt attribute car image, car img, right, and here I will write the path, define the path of a image, and let me render it. Is it working or not? So let me open the folder, and yes, you can see the image on our browser. Let me remove the link, and this car image which we have written inside the alt attribute, this will be displayed on the browser because I have removed the link. So let me refresh the page and see. Yes, you can see that car image img. This shows us that our image is not displaying over here, but we have put an image in our HTML page. So this is how we can create images in our HTML. So if you have any questions, so you can ask. I think it's quite easy. Let me create some other images over here. img, the right and correct way to write image tag is img. Keep it in mind that it have no closing tag, it's just opening and closing itself. So let me, and another way we can define the path to the src, or we can write the path if we put the picture or we have in our folder. So we can, how we can define the path. So let me create one folder here, images, images, and let me download some picture, and then which one is looking good. Let me download this one. Save as desktop. Images, and here img car. So we have one picture in our images folder. So let me define its path inside the src. Images or car img.jpg. So let me refresh our page. Yes, you can see this, the picture is displaying on the browser and it works properly. If I uncomment the first one, so you will see both of the picture will be displayed over here on the browser. Let me refresh it. Yes, you can see both pictures on the screen. If I zoom it, yes, now it's looking good. So this is how we can place picture in our HTML or in our browser. It's very easy. It's make our page or our website pretty good if we put the right picture on our site, on our website, so it's look more attractive. Another thing here is height and width of images. So we can define the height and width of an images. How can we do that? Simply we should write width, and let me define 100 pixel, 100 pixel width, and height 100 pixel. Let me increase it 130 pixel and height is 100 pixel, and refresh the page. Yes, you can see. Or let me increase the width by 180 pixel. Yes, you can see it. This is how we can define its height. If we need to increase height or width of an image, so we can do it very easily in this way. Another thing we have here is where to place image in your code. So it depends upon our requirement or desire that wherever we want to place image in our browser, in our contents, so we can place it over there. Here are some content and they place the picture. In the first content they put the picture on the top, and in the second paragraph they also put on the top, and in the third they put the picture in the middle of the paragraph. It's the same thing, but they just place the image inside the paragraph. Here you can see the output. Aligning images horizontally. So we can align images horizontally. It's old code, but let's see if it's work now or not. So we have already defined width and height. Let's see if align attribute works or not. So let me write align align right, align right. I think it's not working because it's old code and now it's not applicable over here because many things change in HTML5. Align left, let's see if it works. No, I think it's not working. Right, let's see, but it's not working. Yes, it worked. Yes, you can see I have defined here alignment right, so it or picture shift to the right side on our browser. Let me write and the attribute of align middle. So let me refresh the page. No, it's not working. Left, right, and the other one should be middle, but it's not working. So here are some other attribute aligning images vertically. We can also align our image vertically. Vertically we will align it like top, middle, bottom. So let's see, the middle one is not working, I think. Bottom. Bottom also not. Wow. It's old code, I think just because of that it's not working over here. So we can control alignment using CSS. We will learn it later on, but now we are here to learn HTML only, so I'm not going to discuss CSS over here, but we will teach you that later on. We can control the position by using CSS very easily. So this is how we can place images in our website, on our page, the way how we want to display on our browser. So it's pretty easy, it's very simple. So if you people have any question, any query, so you can ask, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next lesson.